back. What's going on, traders? Welcome into the watch list review. Moving into next week, which stocks are making the focus list and which stocks will I be trading for the start of the $1,000 account challenge, which starts next week officially. Number one is SPY. We are on the daily chart time frame here, and we get a pullback all the way from the all-time highs down to the 200 EMA on the daily, which is going to be a dynamic point of support. Now, the stock has been making lower highs, lower lows all the way down. Should we look for lower lows from here? Probably so. I mean, sticking with the trend is the best way to increase your chances of being profitable on any sort of trade. So I'm watching for SPY to break the 200 EMA this week. It's going to be a short idea under $570. Now, to the other side of this, if SPY can hold 570 as support and start to press topside, I need to see higher highs out of this for me to stay bullish on this. So it'll be a long idea above 580, short idea below 570. No bias on the direction. Could this hold support and bounce? Yes. Could it also continue to sell? Also, yes. So I have no idea where this is going to go from here. My plan will be to just trade the trend. Number two on the watch list will be Apple. Now, this is one of the only stocks that I've seen out there that I am overly bullish on. Apple has been holding up in a market that has been pulling back. It's been showing relative strength. Last week, we got a break of the downtrend trend line here. We got higher highs put in on Apple. It's been making these higher lows the past 3 trading days and reclaimed 50 EMA on the daily. So I think from here, it makes the most sense to watch for higher highs out of this. Long idea above $241. For this to hold up and be true, though, Apple definitely needs to hold up above $234. So we could take it short on a break of $234. Otherwise, I'm looking to take this long primarily on a break of $241 for the continuation move to the top side. Up next is AMD. Now, the stock has been really weak, right? Normally, we would just be looking for lower lows out of this. However, it started to base over the past week of trading and really trying to find support at the $100 whole number. Now, it's not reacting to that level perfectly, but we are seeing a lot of consolidation around that level. So it's easy analysis here. We can be bullish on AMD if it can hold above 100. Otherwise, we can be bearish on this if it stays below. But we need to see lower lows out of this for us to be bearish. So it's going to be a short idea below 96. Otherwise, long idea above the resistance here at 102. Up next on the watch list is Google. Now, this does look like a proper bear flag to me on the daily chart time frame. You've got a sell-off to break the 200 EMA. You've got a rally up to retest that 200 EMA. Google's had a lot of resistance and a lot of trouble getting above that 200 EMA and holding above it. That's going to put your resistance at 174. But that doesn't mean that this has to break down. Just because this is a bearish continuation pattern does not mean that Google has to break down. It could still actually break out and reclaim that 200 EMA. So my plan for Google is to go long on a break of $175. Basically, if I see a higher high out of this, it's telling me that Google's reclaiming that 200 EMA. Otherwise, on a rejection of the 200 EMA, if I see a lower low, then it's going to tell me that this bear flag is confirming. Google is rejecting that 200 EMA and breaking down, giving us the lower lows. So Google, short idea below 170. Otherwise, long idea above 175. Now, as I mentioned at the start of the video, the $1,000 account challenge starts next week, and the only way to get in and be a part of that challenge is to join my Discord server. The link to join my Discord server is provided within WAP, which is provided in the description of this video below. So please, if you want to be a part of this journey and do something really great in 2025, come join this challenge. I've ran these challenges in the past. 2021 ran one all the way up to $100,000. 2022 ran one up to about $40,000 and then bought a duplex. 2023 ran this one up to $50,000. In 2024, I stopped short at about $15,500. So I've got a ton of experience running these account challenges. I would love for you to participate and be a part of it. The link to join is in the WAP. You got to sign up via WAP to join the Discord server. Come check us out. Give me a chance to help you make some money. The next one on the watch list is going to be PLTR. This is a proper descending triangle. However, it's not quite ready to break down just yet because it continues to hold the support at $80. But if this support fails, watch out below. PLTR this week is going to be a short idea under 80. And the next one and final one on the watch list is going to be Tesla. No surprise here, the stock has just been super weak, making lower highs, making lower lows. It's now trading at the $250 whole number. We're looking for a break of 250 this week. Short idea under $250. The only thing that we are looking for is lower lows out of Tesla. Thank you so much for your time. I do hope that the video has helped you out. Be sure to do your own due diligence. This is not investment advice. This is just simply my personal trading plan. Hope to see you in the Discord server. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.